With the help of ProModel's Enterprise Portfolio Simulator, Panda Restaurant Group, PRG, completed 85% of IT projects on time and within budget, up from 30% the previous year. California-based PRG operates over 1,400 restaurants in 38 states and is expanding into Mexico. It takes a vast IT organization to support this volume of restaurants, and IT project management is one of the most challenging areas within this IT functional operation. Scott Orr, Director of Project Management, and Leonard Yip, Chief Information Officer, explained just how difficult this challenge was.
We couldn't deliver projects on time.
I think we were down to probably 30% projects completed on time. Some projects actually were never completed. We were constantly over budget, sometimes by as much as 200%.
CIO Leonard Yip had experienced success with ProModel Technology while working in his previous IT management position and contacted us again.
Well, we brought in two pieces of tools. The first one is a project server that allows us to put all our projects over there and let us look at the resource usage. And second piece is the portfolio simulator.
Enterprise Portfolio Simulator, EPS, was selected as the top-level resource requirement predictor and timing platform. Panda imported over 80 major projects into EPS directly from Microsoft Project Server. Leonard states the obvious goal for using our EPS tool.
Basically to get the project done on time.
Scott explains the disadvantages of their current tools and the advantages of EPS.
Well, Excel spreadsheets were really the way that the company used. What that didn't allow for was collaboration between the different departments within IS. But with spreadsheets, there isn't really any way to do simulation, to simulate the what-if constraints for resources, for example. I think being able to present the outcomes that most people aren't used to seeing, and when you can really present the different outcomes that are possible, it really goes a long way to gaining that confidence. But being able to show the outcome of simulation based on the ability to, say, change headcount, it really gives you a tool to go forward and say, if we just did this, we could get this much more value. Or we could do all of this and not get much more value. And being able to present those in logical terms that people can understand is very powerful. One of the places that we really saw an improvement was in the collaboration just within the IS department. Because now the individual managers, the individual directors in IS could see how their department interacted and how important each person's part was in the overall scheme of delivering a large number of projects on time.
Panda experienced tremendous results with EPS. Leonard explains more.
The first year, we jumped from 30% to 85%. In fact, our target was only 70%.
Because of the success of the first year after we started, we were able to tie the department's compensation package to the amount of projects that we delivered.
Using EPS improved the overall success of the IT department. Here's how.
Typically, we're asked to do more projects than we know that we're going to be able to do. So it's very important that we choose the right projects for the company, both to further the company's values and to create the best financial value for the company. So the tool set allows us to do that, to make sure that the set of projects that we put together is the best set of projects that we can do.
But I think it's the only way that we can think of that will give us the data that we need to substantiate our claims that we should do it in a certain way, or even to give us a clue how we should do it.
EPS provided Panda tremendous benefits, and Leonard confirms that ProModel support for all of our tools is outstanding. Kevin Jacobson, our EPS product manager, demonstrated just how committed we are to your success.
The ProModel's service team has been very helpful. We both got trained in Utah how to use it. And on the top of that, KJ also came down, trained us for a whole week. And he even came back to our office and to see through our implementation to make sure that everything is smooth.
Now that you know how ProModel has helped Panda Restaurant Group, contact us so we can help you.